Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to replace a printhead or how to remove it from the printer. This was a Canon PIXMA G3270, one of the MegaTank series printers. There are similar ones that will use the same printhead or similar to it. If this video is going to be helpful for you, please don't forget to like and consider subscribing. In order to replace the printhead, you're going to go to your home screen and then use the down arrow to go down to maintenance. Select maintenance and then scroll down to head replacement. Select that, and it's asking, is the ink level of each tank at least above the dot? This is the dot right there, so you can see a line, like a wider line, then a short dash, and then a dot. And if your ink levels are below that, you're going to say no on the screen. If it's above that, you're going to go ahead and say yes. Press OK. Now it's telling you to open the cover. We're going to go ahead and do that. And it locks over there. And you can see that the printhead is going to the middle here. So now you're just going to go ahead and press this tab right here. Press it up. So this is what you need to do, and this lifts up, and that's where your printheads are. So this is for the black, and this is for the other three colors. So all you do is just grab it right there and pull it out, and here's your printhead. It looks just like a cartridge on printer that is not MegaTank. To put it back in, if you're putting a new one in, make sure you remove any protective tape that can be here or in both places. Remove the tag over here. Just this sticker stays. Everything else removes, goes away. You're just going to slide it in there and it's ready to go. Same thing with this color cartridge. It's very similar. That's what it looks like. You need to clean it. Go ahead and clean it. Be very careful not to damage this strip here. And same for the new ones. Make sure you remove any stickers here. Just this sticker stays for reference. C is for color, B is for black. Go ahead and close it. Now just lift this here, and the cover will just drop down slowly, and you're done with your printhead replacement. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.